Jain guys, Eddie Roy from Shillong. As I'm driving for a walk in my Kushaq 1.5 TSI, I just want to bring to your notice that of late, मैंने कुछ वीडियो देख रहा था. There are quite a few videos on YouTube regarding Kushaq and the negatives about it. Let me clarify, I'm not a brand ambassador for Skoda or Kushaq. But I'm a customer and I'm using a Kushaq for last few months. I've driven around 2,800 kilometers already in the city as well as in the highways. So I guess I'm qualified enough to pass on a little bit of comment on what is the perception that people are giving. So not all. I mean, yes, every content creator has got their own views and opinions about the cars they drive. That's why I am trying to put across my point of view about Kushaq. Let us remember one thing. कोई कार perfect नहीं होता है, right? Do you agree that? Okay. So कोई कार तो perfect होता नहीं है. आप दे दो मेरे को कोई भी गाड़ी दे दो, मैं उसका भी negative points निकाल के दे दूँगा आपको. तो Kushaq में negative points नहीं बोलते हैं हम लोग. Let us say some issues. So all cars have got issues.
चीटिंग करता है तू, चीटिंग करता है तू.
Kushaq में भी कुछ issues है. Now my Kushaq is about only few months old. So this is a 2024 year manufacturing model. जो पहले का Kushaq आता था, initial lot, that had given serious problem. Yes, I agree with that. But 2022 onwards, Skoda has rectified all those issues, and Kushaq is not reporting much of an issue at all these days. Engine-related issues, performance-related issues, उतना problems नहीं आ रहा है the current lot of the cars. Now, when it comes to the things that people highlight are these. That when you buy a 20 lakh worth of car, like this one, this is a style model, though manual. So some issues bother the customer. Which are these issues? Okay, according to me, these are the issues, but these cannot be termed as negatives. Okay, Skoda could have given a little better plastics. When you try to operate the SC vents, then you find this a little plastic. The window का जो switch है, वो when you press it up and down and all those things, it makes a weird noise, which is not even there for a half the price of this car. I mean, they make it. I mean, Skoda इसमें तो गलती कर रही है. But is it a deal breaker? I don't think so. It is not a deal breaker. Even the dashboard plastics are, okay-ish hai, but not of that standard. But at the same time, the design of the dashboard here is classy. You can compare it to any car. You'll find that, the design really inside when you sit down, it gives you a feeling, oh, ये तो थोड़ा मतलब हटके है, ये थोड़ा class apart है. वो जो हम लोग का common cars है, like of the category or a little below the category. They are also coming up with beautiful interiors, like of late Nexon XUV 3XO. These two have really upped their game, and they have really given a great interior into their cars. एक तो ये थोड़ा सा मतलब classic feeling आता है यहाँ में, एक as if you are driving a car which is a little bit on the upscale car. So this is a great thing. Quality of plastics are not that great, but it's not a deal breaker. If someone is interested in buying a Kushaq and he's thinking, okay, वो negative है, negative नहीं है, ये issues है. And the Skoda is bringing out a new variant or updated model of Kushaq early next year, I guess. That is what the talk of the town. So I'm sure that Skoda will be giving heed to our comments, our opinions, and they will definitely improve upon them. The issue here, another issue important, according to me, which is very important, is the quality of the rear view camera. That's not good at all. I mean, even a car like Ignis or Swift or Baleno, they have much better resolution output and better quality images. And on top of it, when you put the gear on the reverse, the image that comes is a very small one. It doesn't fill up the screen, and there is also no dynamic guidelines, guiding that when you reverse the gear thing. See, I was having a Nexon, and Nexon का भी जो resolution था वो rear camera का, वो भी बुरा था, वो अच्छा नहीं था. I mean, I'm talking about the 2017 first model, first generation Nexon. I used that for 6.5 years. I also was of this opinion कि उसका resolution तो ठीक नहीं है, लेकिन काम चल जाता है. But that had a dynamic guideline on the reverse camera or the reverse image. वो भी नहीं है. A little bit, this is, I guess it is a little one grade lesser than Nexon's image of that Nexon of 2017 model I'm talking about. So this is a issue. In fact, I wanted to buy Kushaq earlier, but I didn't buy because of this one particular issue only. But later on I test drove the car and I saw that it serves its purpose. अभी मैं तो चल रहा हूँ, मैं रहता हूँ शिलोंग में, वहाँ पे तो छोटा रास्ता है, very narrow roads. You cannot even imagine if you're sitting in a place New Delhi or Bombay or Calcutta. You cannot imagine the narrow lanes and bylanes which I'm going, taking my car. So you can see the speed of my car. So घिंजी समझते हैं ना. तो ये तो एक हो गया. दूसरा एक है कि वो जो विंडो का जो अप एंड डाउन बटन है that makes weird sound. Is it a deal breaker? No, it's not a deal breaker. Another thing, one of our friend in the YouTube, I appreciate him and I really follow him. He pointed out that when you open the sunroof, or I call it moonroof, because यहाँ में तो गर्मी में तो आप वो खोल नहीं सकते, so you open it only in the night, so it is better to be termed as a moonroof. Now, when you open that, you can see the side में उसका parts and things दिखाई पड़ता है. यार कौन देखता है यार वो सब? इतना नहीं है तो. You don't have to look at it ना ऐसा करके, बाहर देखो ना. Not a deal breaker. And another thing is this HVAC system, the air conditioning system. Air conditioning थोड़ा weak है. Despite it, my car being 1.5, air conditioning is not as powerful as my previous car Nexon. So this is an issue, and it might really bother people who live in the plains. Shillong mein to we don't hardly use AC. I mean maybe 3 or 4 times a year. Otherwise you don't need, because the weather is already air conditioned. So should a person looking for a new car consider Kushaq, despite these flaws or shortcomings or issues or negatives according to some of them? I'll tell you one thing. ये गाड़ी चलाने में आपको जो मतलब फीडबैक आए, जो फीलिंग है, जो आएगा ना, that is unmatched. And if you really love driving cars, then you will just overlook all these things, छोटा मोटा चीज, वो सब कुछ फर्क पड़ना नहीं है. And you don't drive in the always like at 120 km per hour, and you are always fiddling with the AC button. You are always opening and closing the sunroof or the moonroof, and checking the plastics here and there. ऐसा नहीं होता है, नहीं है. My car doesn't give any squeaky sound as on today. Nothing. About 6 months now. 6 months नहीं हुआ, 4-5 months हुआ है. So you can safely look at it. It is one of the best, having a very good engine, which is unmatched in the category. So like that. So that is what I wanted to tell you guys. Stay well, stay happy. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Love you all. Please एंड इफ यू लाइक माई वीडियो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर दो एंड लाइक भी कर दो, शेयर वार कर दो यार, थोड़ा सा ये मिलेगा, यू नो, इंस्पायर मी टू गिव यू सम मोर वीडियोस. Signing off, Eddie Roy.